How to create a playlist on Spotify. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as our channel is really small and every subscription really helps us and motivates us to post more. So now let's head to the video. First, you open the Spotify app. It's very quick and simple. Click on your library on the bottom right. Once you click on that, on the top right you'll find a plus icon. You have to click on that and you have to select playlist. Now I'll name it as an example. Click on create. Then you have to go to add to this playlist, and then you can search your favorite song, anything like Eminem, and you can add these songs. Like I click on the plus icon here and it got added to my playlist. The other way you can add it to your playlist is go on the search icon here. You can search the song or the artist, and here you'll find plus icons here of the artist. On the songs here you can click on the three dots and click on add to playlist, and then select the playlist you wanted to add it to. Like for example, I selected the example folder and click on done, and it is added to my example folder. So if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.